Good evening, dear students. Welcome to the Excellence tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the articles. How many types of the articles? What is the use of the article? We'll see. Okay. Articles. So mainly there are the three types of the article. That is a, and the. A, then and finally the. So mainly there are the three types of the article. So what is the use of the article in English grammar? We will see, and how to use article in English grammar also we have to learn. Okay. So that article is the further divided into two parts. First one is the definite article and second one is the indefinite article. So what is the definite article and what is the indefinite article? We will see. So when we are talking about the definite articles, that is only one, and this one is the. Definite article, when we are talking about the definite article, that time we have to use only the or the article. When we are talking about the indefinite article, this time or that time we are calling or the discussing or the learning about the both articles. That one is a and. What is the use of the and when you are using the and when you are using the a and article, we will see. Okay. So in English grammar there are 26 letters or the 26 sound. Getting or not? That is alphabet. And that alphabet further divided into two parts. First one is the vowel sound and second one is the consonant sound. So what is the relation and what is the use that particular alphabets or the vowel sound or the consonant sound? Okay, when you are using the articles, we will see. Okay, first we are talking about the letters. So mainly there are the 26 letters in English grammar. Also we have called two letters, that one is alphabet. Okay, so there are the 26 letter or the 26 alphabet, and that 26 letter or the 26 alphabet, that one is the further divided into two parts. First one is the vowel sound and second one is the consonant sound. So mainly there are the two types of the sounds. Okay, so when we are talking about the vowel sound, that time, so there are mainly five types of the vowel sound. There are the five types. Which one? That one is the A, E, I, O, and finally U. And when you are talking about the consonant sound, that is B, C, D, and at last that one is the 21. So what is the number of the vowel sound? That is the 5. And what is the number of the consonant sound? That one is the 21. And including that both vowel and consonant, that is the 26. That is the letters. This is the bifurcation of the 26 alphabets. So 5 is the vowel sound and the remaining 21 are the alphabets. But actually there are 20 vowel sound. So actually there are the 20 vowel sound and consonant sound. When you are talking about the consonant sound, that is 24. So overall, when you calculate the vowel sound and the consonant sound, that one is the 44 sounds. 44 sounds including. Okay. So when you are talking about the 20 vowel sound, So actually there is the 5 vowel sound in the English grammar or the alphabets and consonant 21. But when you are talking about the 20 sound, vowel sound, and when you are talking about the 24 consonant sound, okay, that one also is a sound. That one also is a sound. For example, when you are talking about the honor, this word or this noun, okay, that begin with the a word or the a sound. Getting a means when you are talking about the a sound, at that time we have to use an article. But actually this noun is the beginning from the consonant sound. But also we are calling or the pronouns that word or the that noun, that one is the honor. That one is the honor. Next one is the honest. Getting or not? So that time also we have to use an article. So such a type of the sound, vowel sound is the including in the 20 vowel sound. Okay. So what is the use of the vowel sound? What is the use of the consonant sound? We will see afterwards. So dear students, when we are using the article and where we have to use the article, we will see. Okay. So when we are using the article, okay, and where we have to use the article, that things we must be clarified. Okay. We are using the article before the noun. Before the noun. Okay. When we are talking about the proper noun, okay. So before the proper noun, for example, that one is the Ramesh. This is the proper noun. This is the proper noun. So before the proper noun, there is no need to use article. It means the zero article. That one is the 5. That is the 5 in the maths. Okay. So what is the sign of that? That one is the zero article. It's called the zero article. Okay. Zero article means no need to use the article. When you are talking about the proper noun, getting or not? When you are talking about the common noun, before the common noun, for example, friend. This is the common noun. So when you are talking about or the mention common noun in the sentence or the talking, that time article will be compulsory. Or the article is a compulsory before the proper noun, before the common noun. For example, if the friend is the particular or the definite, that one is the friend. And when you are talking about the common or the indefinite, at that time you have to use a article. Getting or not? A friend. That one is the use with a noun of a article in the English grammar. This one also is the use. So dear students, I think you are clear. Okay, where you have to use the article. Getting or not? Afterwards, when you are talking about the definite and the indefinite article, so what is that? We will see. So dear students, let's discuss where we have to use the article. Which one article? Okay, I am writing here friend, then Delhi, then Mumbai, then hospital, then hotel, then honest, then bus, then train, then pen, then pencil. Okay, getting or not? So let's discuss one by one. Friend, which type of noun? Which type of noun? That one is a common noun. That one is a common noun. So for that purpose, we have to use a article, a friend. Okay. So When you are talking about the Delhi or the New Delhi, okay, that time you are talking about the proper noun. So what is the rule? So before the proper noun, we no need to use the article. It means to zero article or the five. Okay. So which type of Mumbai? That is the also proper noun. So no need to use the article. Okay. Then which type of hospital? That is the common noun. Hospital is the common noun. So here you have to use the a article. Which type of hotel? Hotel is the common noun. Hotel is the common noun. That time you have to use a article. Okay. Honest. So which word? That word begin from the consonant sound. But what is the pronunciation of this word? That one is the honest. That's why you have to use an article. Okay. Which type of bus? That one is the common noun. That is not a particular bus. It's called, we have to use a article. What is train? Not a particular. That one is a common noun. We have to use a article. Which type of pen? That one is a common noun. We have to use a article. Which type of pencil? There is not mention. We have to use a pencil. Okay, getting or not? How to use the a and with the common noun and the proper noun. So what is the remaining part of the articles? We will see afterwards. So dear students, how to identify the using the articles? Okay, when you are talking about the indefinite articles. Articles. Independent articles, there are the two types. First one is the a and second one is the and. Okay. So when you are using the a, when you are using the and, we will see. Okay. If initial vowel sound plus singular countable noun, at that time you have to use an article. Get it or not? And when you are initial consonant sound plus singular countable noun, we have to use a article. When you are talking about the particular sense or the definite article, okay. How many types of the definite article? That one is the only one. That is the. Okay. When you are talking about the particular things, that is the using the article. When you are mention the particular things, okay, that time you have to use the article. Getting little bit. So dear students, I think you have understood how to use the article, okay, with the noun and pronoun. Noun and the proper noun. Okay, getting or not? What is the definite article? What is the indefinite article? What is the use of the definite and the indefinite article? How many types of the vowel sound? What is the consonant sound? How many letters? And that letters is the how many types of the divided? We have to I think we have learned today. So what is the articles and what is the use of the articles? I think you have understood, and that one is beneficial for your understanding, for your educational improvement. So dear students, this is enough for today. Okay, I hope you have understood how to use the articles in English grammar. Okay. So I think this video and this lecture is beneficial for your educational improvement. Also, if you like our channel, if you like our videos, that one is beneficial for your educational improvement. For that purpose or for that reason, you must be like our channel, subscribe our channel, also share. Okay. So we will meet in our upcoming lecture. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.